Hello, this is a demonstration on how SimpleSchool grading and analysis app works. You load the application, you input your password, you click OK, then the app opens. The application opens up the user interface where the user inputs his username and password. Click on validate. Welcome back, Benga. OK. Then the navigation sheet opens up where you have all the subjects and the pages peculiar to the user in the box. So you click on the subject you want to work on, you double click and you click OK. Then you have this interface. This is the page of numeracy which is peculiar to this teacher, and where the teacher is going to impute his scores and every other thing automatically calculates. Let's go. Then you click on the term score entry in which you want to impute the score. Let's say, for instance, you want to impute for first term. You click this, click for the first term score entry tab. Then it brings out this data entry form. In the data entry form, you click on this drop down arrow, click on any child's name, then you click retrieve. Now the form is ready to take score for this student, Mary Jane. Then you go ahead and input your scores. Then you input the teacher's comment. Let's say, very good. Please note, you should input a comment that will appear on the student's report sheet. So in this case, let's assume the teacher is okay with this. Then you click update. Automatically the scores show up on the page. We can view the sheet by clicking view sheet, and here we have the scores for first term, test 1 to 5, and the exam score. So you can scroll down, you see the total term score for first term. This is the cumulative total, the percentage, the grade, the position, all done automatically. Then this is where you have your comment, which will show up on the child's report sheet. But look at this. This is highlighted red because the teacher mistakenly imputes a score greater than the maximum obtainable score. So this app actually checks for such errors. Then immediately you see any portion highlighted red, then the teacher knows there is a problem. So we go back and you click for that child's name again. That's Mary Jane. Retrieve to retrieve the existing scores. Then you edit it. Let's say the child was supposed to type in 8. Then you click on update. Automatically the score is updated. Then you go ahead and do the same for other students in the class. Search for the name, click, retrieve, then you input your scores accordingly. The teacher has finished inputting the scores for first term. So let's see the analysis of the test score for numeracy in this class. This is where you have the totals of all the test scores. This is the cumulative total, the percentage of each performance, the grade, the position, and the number of students with each grade. And this is where you have the comments all for first term. Again, SimpleSchool app also checks each test by calculating the average score for each test. So this test 1, the average performance of the class is 8.0. So any child with any score less than 8 is actually below average for this test, and this is 80%, and the median is 85%, and for this test is 7.6, 8.6, and so on. And for the examination, the average is 25.2. Now this tells the teacher on which test the children really perform very well. So the teacher goes home and makes some necessary adjustments and some decisions. Then over here you have the overall mean, that's the average of the class, which is what, 83.9. So any child below that is having a score less than the average score. So this is just an overview of a user interface for the SimpleSchool grading analysis. So to work on a new subject, click on navigation, double click the subject, and the portal opens up. So the teacher does the imputation of the scores accordingly. Then another thing we need to see is the overall sheet. The overall sheet shows the overall performance of the students in all the subjects for this class, in all the subjects. The annual total, this would have added the first, second and third term, the percentage, and the overall position. So from here you can see the child with the first position and all of that. So in this place, in this comment box, the class teacher imputes this, and this is where the head of school imputes his or her own score. So this page actually is peculiar to the class teacher. So whatever the subject teacher has imputed on their own system, SimpleSchool analysis has a way of imputing those scores on this page. So the quantitative score comes here, the grammar, the comprehension, and all of them. Then the summation and the average and everything is being done. Again, this application is such a wonderful application that you have the graphical representation of the children's performance below the page. So if you go back to each subject tab and you close this, you check down the page, you see the bar chart representing the student's performance. So in this case we have only imputed for first term, that's why we're having for first term only. So if you have done for second term and third term, would have seen the bars for second term and the third term. All is being updated automatically. That's another beauty of this application. As each teacher is imputing his scores in his own subject area on his own personal computer, all the scores creates a report sheet for each child. So if I double click on this report sheet, it will take me to a tab for the report sheet for first term. So whatever the teachers are imputing, it forms up the report sheets for each child. And in this case, these are the scores imputed for this child, Mary Jane. The comments are here. The class average is done automatically. The first time score, the percentage, the grade, and all this is done. You can change this by just deleting that. Let's say you want to put it here, you click on C and you press 1, enter. So the tick comes there automatically. All this is done by SimpleSchool grading and analysis app automatically. All you need to do is input your scores and everything forms up here. So if you want to check for another child, you click in this name box, click the drop down arrow, select the child's name, and the scores for the child appears and the picture of the child appears automatically. So you do for the next child and it happens the same way. So the session, the name of the school, the class, the percentage, the position, and the final results of the child update automatically. Even on the report sheets, all the teachers' comments, the class chair comments comes here, the head of school comments comes here, and everything is done automatically. Again, on the report sheet, another wonderful thing is the graphical representation of the students' percentage, the student percentage scores in all the subjects. So this report sheet can be printed and sent home on a hard copy or via email. So whichever way the school want to work on it, it is well and perfect. It is an editable program that can be customized for your school. So you have your school names, the school logos, the school colors, and every other thing the school wants on the sheet. It updates automatically. This is a wonderful application that takes the stress off teacher calculating the scores, and it works perfectly well offline. So I will recommend this application for all school owners, administrators, and teachers, because this is a job well done by Prime Academy Resource.